Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sugar Beach, a delightful and charming urban beach located in Toronto, Ontario. Nestled in the city's East End, this unique park offers a sweet escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Sugar Beach is known for its iconic pink umbrellas and white sand, creating a playful and inviting atmosphere that makes it a favorite spot for both locals and visitors. The beach is part of the larger Waterfront revitalization project in Toronto, which aims to transform the city's shoreline into vibrant public spaces. Sugar Beach was opened in 2010 and has quickly become a beloved destination for relaxation and leisure. Its location at the foot of Jarvis Street along the waterfront provides stunning views of Lake Ontario and the Toronto Islands. Sugar Beach is not just about sand and water, it's also a place to enjoy the beauty of nature. The park features lush landscaping with plenty of trees and plants that provide shade and a sense of tranquility. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely bike ride with its smooth paths and scenic surroundings. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, enjoy the views, or take a break from the city's fast pace, Sugar Beach offers a unique and inviting space to relax and enjoy the beauty of Toronto's waterfront. Thanks for watching!